Unlock success in 2024. 5 dropshipping tips. 1. Source American suppliers. Combat global delays. Choose US-based vendors for quick, reliable delivery in under 1 week. 2. Obsess Over Brand Experience. Elevate your brand. Create a complete branded experience from packaging to personalized post-purchase communication. 3. Leverage AI support. Enhance customer engagement with 24/7 chatbots like Ada and Intercom. Automate for instant support at scale. 4. Continually adjust to algorithm shifts. Stay ahead of updates. Focus on quality content over manipulative tactics. Delight customers rather than gaming systems. 5. Specialize in a niche. Dive deep, research and offer specialty products. Become a subject matter expert for dedicated growth in passionate niche communities. Adapt to rising expectations. Build fierce customer loyalty. Act today. Success awaits those who embrace change. Build your empire in 2024. Seize the opportunity now.